Love to highlight the brow bone. Ooh! Girl. Ooh. Lord, Mayday, Mayday. Mayday. What's this? Ooh, girl, Mayday. Ooh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you just finished watching this makeup tutorial. If not, pause this one, watch it. I'll leave it up here and in the description bar of this video, and come back and watch how we're going to turn this into a nighttime look. I'm loving this. This is like my new series that I didn't even know I started, where you just revamp a current look or a makeup look that you don't have time to change. So who wants to come home and just take off the makeup and redo it? Who has time for that? I know I don't want to do that, even though I have the time for it. So I'm going to show you guys little tips and tricks on how to turn a daytime look or a makeup look in general into something night appropriate. And this look is so pretty. I'm actually obsessed with it. Come on, girl. I'm actually obsessed with it. So I'm going to show you how to change it from day to night. I'm going to do something on the eyes, contour a little bit more, and of course we're going to change the lip. So this is a quick and easy John Hayes. This is a quick and easy makeup revamp when you want to just change your look or slightly change it to morph into night. So here we go. So we're going to go back into the palette that we used. Well, one of them. I used multiple palettes. And I'm going to take the soft brown right here. And I'm going to put it on my lower lash line. I don't want it to be super, super dark, because this look is just so pretty. You don't want to just go in and just add like a dark color straight on. So I'm just going to take it on this brush. What is this? This is a M167. I've been filming all day, y'all, and my mind and my brain is fried. Okay, so you're just gonna pat it. Okay, we're gonna take our time because our face is already done. So you don't want, a lot of fallout. So I'm just gonna take the brush. And you're just going to sweep that across. We're going to go in with the dark color, but we're going to take a brush that is very, very small. Perfect. This is a Morphe brush. I don't have the name because it's from a set. I'm going to take that color and we're going to get it. I'm going to knock it off. And we're just going to pop that on the outer corner. Okay. We're going to just make sure that the under eye is good. As a matter of fact, we're going to just add a little bit of some powder under there just because I'm scared that it'll fall. So we're going to take some of the Sasha. Just a little bit. This look is so pretty. So pretty. Just being extra because I didn't need to do that, but I'm just being extra. It's nighttime and we're going to be extra, right? I'm going to take that first color and we're just going to reinforce it because we blended the colors together. So we just want this one to live a little. Perfect. Okay, so this palette has a shimmer, but the shimmers are kind of dark. You can't really tell. I always want like a super bright inner corner highlight, and it just never seems to work out. We're gonna take this highlighter from Juvia's Place, and this is in the color Royalty 2, and we're gonna take her on this M562 brush, and I want to pop her in. Is there a mirror in this palette? Please, let's normalize putting mirrors in palettes again. I'm sure that it's expensive to put a mirror in there, but it just, what if I was on vacation and I have a mirror? What would I do? So we're going to take this. There we go. And we're going to pop it, literally. Get some on the brow bone. because you know I love to highlight the, ooh, love to highlight the brow bone. Ooh, girl. Ooh, Lord, Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. What's this? Ooh, girl, Mayday. Ooh, we're gonna close her up. Yeah, we see the brow bone. It overtook the brow and everything. Let me just fill the brow back in. Lord Jesus. Okay. Yeah. Never mind. Lord Jesus. Whatever spilled on my pants, we're going to take that. We're just going to throw it on the face like we just did this side. It didn't mess up the look, but it's just, I didn't want all that on my face and on my pants and on my desk. It's okay. So we're going to move into contouring the face. I've been loving my Morphe palettes. Well, not palettes, but I've been loving my Morphe powders. So I'm going to go in with this one. This is in 13. And she's super cute. And I'm going to try to font perfect. I'm going to take her and so we're going to just pop her right here. Okay, we're not even going to do any windshield wiper motions. We're just going to put her right here. Okay, so a little bit more, because we know we're doing this nighttime look. The daytime look was cute, but we're going to bump her up. Okay, it's already looking like nighttime. Don't forget your chin. I gotta get back into working out, child. I was snatched and then it just life be life in, like, can I get a pause button or something, please? Just saying. Okay, so we're gonna go and we're gonna knock off this powder because we don't need it no more. We don't need it. See? I just didn't want anything on my lower lash line. Perfect. This look is so pretty. You don't even need to do extra. I think I'm going to highlight because I got highlight all over me. Okay, so we're going to go in with this blush palette that's broken. Why is all my... Yo, I don't understand. All my stuff is getting broken. Why? Switch it. It's the blush from me from Bessie Gang in the color Dark. And this is what she looks like. And I'm going to go into her right here. I'm going to mix her with the one next to it. I don't really like too much blush. So this is Day or Night and Cocktail Time. Period. Ooh. Ooh. So I'm going to take my face powder brush and we're going to blend that in. Because you don't want all that. This is so pretty. The blush looks so pretty. Y'all should see my desk. Okay, so we have all this highlighter. So you can put some highlighter. Because it's all over my pants. It's all over my desk. It's all of my brushes. So we just getting whatever's on the desk. Just whatever's on the desk. Blend it out. Ooh, this is cute. See? Subtle changes that make a big difference. I wasn't going to use highlighter, but... So we're going to change the lip. I'm going to be very careful. I don't know what I want to do with the lip, but I'm going to take my powder brush. And I'm just going to go over my mouth. Because I told you in my last video, well, in this video, well, the first video, that I was going to start doing this. So it has something to cling to. So I'm going to look for a lip because I don't know what I'm going to do, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, so I decided on the lip. We're going to go in with Trendsetter from Morphe. I just love Morphe. They just glide. Then I'm gonna go all over everything. I used to do this and then I stopped, but I'm doing it again. All over everything. Then we're gonna wipe off the lipstick. And we're going to go in the center with the lip. The actual lip color, see? And it blends. And I'm gonna go on the corners. And of course, I'm going to add some concealer because that's what I do. So same one, M100. This is Clean Kisses from the crayon case, just in the center. And that's literally it. And this is how you turn that look into this look, period. If you want, you can spray lightly. Just lightly. And this is how you turn your day appropriate makeup into your night appropriate makeup. It's just little steps that you will tweak just to transform it. You don't have to do your whole entire face. But I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial on how I changed my daytime appropriate look to a nighttime. And until my next one, I'll see you later. Bye, guys.